Hi, welcome back guys to another video of T-Bear Dancer. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make like one of these slimes, but it's all the same. So let's get started. So as you already can see, I already put all the ingredients in. So I'm going to show you what I put in and how much I put in. So I put the amount of glue that I wanted my slime to be. So mine will be about half of this size maybe, and 3 to 2 pumps of the White Rain or body wash, I should say, and 3 and 1 will work the best. And soft body wash. I like to use soft soap because it's really thick. It's not really thick, but it's like jello-y. So I like to use that. And the lip balms, coloring, and sparklies. And I shall mix it all together. If I mix it together, it'll turn into like pink because of my coloring, my lip balm coloring. And it might be like watery to you, but Tide will work. So I'm gonna put 1/4 of the amount of the mixture I put in. So I just like to put, guess how much I want. And I think I put of Tide about half of this slime, and I mix it all together. And mine is like blue or maybe darkish purple. Mixing it all up together. So if I mix this all up together, mine will be mine is like spider webs in here. So now, when you think it's like really good sticking everything, your mixture is sticking almost everything to the mixture in the cup, then you might wanna mix it more, or you can use your hands if you want. So now I'm using my hands. It's really sticky right now. But if it's really easy to clean up, I like to work it in my hands and mix it up. And if you keep mixing, if it's not working to you, I would recommend putting more glue in or put more Tide in. So yeah, and it'll take a while sometimes, like if it's like mine, it'll take a while, but it'll turn into this slime putty. So yeah, thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like this video. And bye-bye.